How to share a live location on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share a live location on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the DM icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the DM section, just open the chat where you want to send a live location to. And now here, once you're inside the chat, just tap on the plus icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just select location, and after that you just have to tap on continue. And here with that, a map will pop up with your live location. Now here in this pop-up section there you will see the button that says share your location. So simply tap on it, and here once you do that you will be able to share your live location on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.